So it's time to put some stickers up around the van. I do like stickers and sucky things. Here we go. This is as... Why are we putting this up? It's November the 15th or something.
Getting the Christmas spirit.
Right, okay. We're getting the Christmas spirit by putting this up, so... This can go down here.
Yep.
Might need a bit of Gorilla Tape on that corner.
Oh my goodness.
Travel Trolls TV sticker, which I'm going to put over here.
Cool.
So we'll stick him down there.
Cool.
Travel Trolls TV. I'll tell you what, I could stick it off here, look.
Oh, okay.
I could dangle it off. Oh, that's come off.
You broke. You break everything!
It'll be alright, a bit of Gorilla Tape. Just come back to me in a minute. Van life. This can go in this window. Simply because...
No, in the corner.
No, right there. Because this is Maz's window and she never opens it. She refuses to open that window, so that's perfect there. And we'll have a little Travel Trolls TV on my side. Oh, I've broken that.
Have you break everything? What have you done?
Just needs a bit of Gorilla Tape on that side. Last but not least, Travel Trolls TV in the corner here. Beautiful. So looking at them from the outside of the van, we've put that in the wrong place, Mazzy. You can't see it because of windscreen wiper.
Oh, that's fine.
But that one looks good. Travel Trolls TV, that's nice and bright. And then that one's nice and bright in there. And then in my window, yeah, that looks very good. That works. And then in Mazzy's window, if I can get to this, because no, I can't get to it. It's up there somewhere.
Another job done, babe. Well done.
Thank you.
And no Gorilla Tape either. Well done.
Good afternoon, people. Right, we're on our way to Staffordshire. We're not far away, actually. We're about 25 minutes away from the house of them who we're going to deliver a Christmas card to, Karen and Mike. I don't think they'll be in. I think they'll be working, or they just won't answer the door when they see who's delivering it. I don't really want to do this, Mazzy. She's not listening to me. She's putting her makeup on. Yeah, not the best start of the day for me personally, because I'm deaf in one ear. Earwax has taken over and I can't get it out. I'm trying, but I can't hear you. So if you are actually talking back to me at the moment, I ain't got a clue what you're saying. You'll have to speak up. Yeah, so we're just going to call in there, and then we're staying at the Brit stops tonight. And then first thing, crack of dawn, we've got to get the van to the dealer who is going to sort this out for us, you know, as water and as reversing camera and stuff. Let's do this when she's finished putting her makeup on. Mazzy?
What? What?
Something's broken.
For the love of God, man, I'm going to leave you at home.
I didn't break it.
Who did?
This is melted. Now, we have an extension which also melted and it stopped working. Can someone please tell me, when that's plugged in, are you meant to not, if you are on electric hookup, are you not allowed to use your 12 volt power? Is that the reason, or are we just putting something too powerful in there? Because it's happened to... It's the second one.
Yeah.
And we don't know...
The other one was quite bad, and I'm surprised...
The other one was very bad. I'm surprised it didn't wake us up and burn us.
Kill us, yeah.
So yeah, are we allowed to use 12 volt power to charge up his phones through the night if we're hooked up to the electric? Is that the problem? I showed you yesterday a card we got from Bob and Jenny and Poppy the dog.
Yeah.
We've had a load more. Just in yesterday's post we had 5, I think. 5 Christmas cards, so we'll quickly show you them. This one's Happy Christmas. We've got to watch what we're showing you though, because it's got addresses inside them all.
Yeah.
But this says, loving, right, that's all you're seeing of the picture. I need to read it now. Loving your adventures and keep the videos coming, Jane. To Dan and Mazzy from Jane and Joe Flanagan and Tess the Greyhound.
Thank you, guys.
And
Thank you,
that's
Jane.
the address. Thank you very much. A card will be coming to you.
I can't wait to put all these cards all over the place. And my baubles.
I didn't think of that, actually.
Can I read one?
Of course you can.
Yeah. So this one's to Dan and Mazzy, obviously. Blah. Lovely little doggies. And it says, to Dan and Mazzy, Happy Christmas. Keep enjoying your travels as we do watching them. Keep enjoying your travels. Yeah. Thank you, David. Thank you, Dave. Oh, from Holland.
No, it's not. It's from Shropshire. Where did you get Holland from?
Oh, there. No, that's
No,
your
that's his
second
name.
Sorry.
That's his name. It's
I
from
thought,
Shropshire.
wow, from Holland. Thank you, David.
Next card. This is really cool.
This is a big one, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it came through and I thought, what's under there? It's just like, you know, the padding. It's just a really expensive
He was
card.
going like this.
No, I honestly thought there was something we were meant to see under there, but it's just the padding because it's an expensive card. Thank you for the postcard. Ah, this is these who we nearly went to go and see.
We actually did, yeah.
Well, you wanted to go.
I
and
wanted to go, so it's Dan's fault.
I said it's too far out of his way.
It wasn't.
Chris and Emma.
So sorry, Chris and Emma, and Darby, I did try to come and see you.
Wish you both a Merry Christmas and
Yeah.
Happy New Year to you both.
Thank
you for the postcard.
and you too, yeah.
Thank you. We might see you one day. Yeah, we
Christmas
sent them a
card.
postcard, didn't we?
Oh, right. Yeah.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is cute. This is to the both of you. And these are actually badges. I'm going to get the dancer and Dan's going to get the prancer.
Why am I a prancer and
I
not a
think
dancer?
That suits us more. So, dear Mazzy and Dan, I love the Travel Trolls videos. They are such an inspiration. Happy Christmas from Mark. Oh, thank you, Mark. That's lovely.
In Herefordshire.
Yeah, that's lovely. Wiggle your baubles.
And we've got one more.
See, it's Jiggle Your Chestnuts. Sorry.
Okay. One more. You love this, don't you?
This is lovely, yeah.
Look at that. It's like a hand-knitted girl thing with me and Mazzy in the middle. Can you see us? That is really cool. From, is it
Karen and Mike.
Karen and Mike?
Yeah.
And a homemade Christmas card as well.
Homemade, it's lovely. So lovely.
And the address here.
This is going to hang up where I keep my hangy bits because I like hangy things. It's so wonderful.
It is, that's
it's all
amazing.
yeah, I do. That's amazing.
I like that. Now it's got Karen and Mike's address here.
Yeah.
And it's in Staffordshire.
Yeah.
Which is where we're setting off to
Tomorrow.
right now. Tomorrow.
In the morning, yeah.
And Mazzy wants to just pop in and surprise them and
We'll
hand them a Christmas card.
Hand deliver the Christmas card.
You'll probably get chased off by dogs, or they'll answer the door and say, "Get away! Get out of my garden!"
We'll feed you it, won't we? And
But
see how it goes.
if we're nearby there, yes, if we can do it in time to put this on this video, we'll do it. We'll hand deliver it, we'll film it,
Yeah.
we'll embarrass them, and we'll give them a Christmas card.
We'll probably embarrass ourselves.
Serves you right for giving us your address. You know, you just don't give your address to the
To
travel
strangers.
trolls. So, yeah, we might pop in and see them, but they
We
won't
will.
know that we might be doing that because we're
No.
not going to put this video up until we've actually done that, if we're going to do that. But we might not do that, so we don't know if we're doing that, but we might
We'll
do
try.
that.
We'll try.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the Christmas cards.
Do you think this is Karen, Mike and Owen, or is that their...
No, that's the last
Oh,
name.
okay.
Karen and Mike Owen.
Oh, I see. Sorry. Right.
Right, moving on. So Karen and Mike, just to reiterate here, if you're watching this and we said we might come to your house and we still haven't been to your house, we're not coming to your house, okay? But if we can, we will.
We'll try. Absolutely.
And if we haven't by the time you watch this video, we might pop in on some later date. You might even invite us for a coffee, hint, hint, hint.
Anyway.